Alright, it is December 8th, and we're finally able to go on soybeans again. I just got a call from my uncle saying to get the 6420 here and go get a red wagon. He's with the 4055. I see it's gone, and it is plumb cold. It is in the 20s, so maybe we're able to float across the ground now. I ain't gonna use the tractor. Alright, well, combine's rolling. It's cleating, yes, but it don't look terrible. Don't know moisture or anything. Just I see some mud on the tires though. That load that just left out of here with my uncle, I saw they were a little what do you call them? Moldy. Alright, so it's the next day, Sunday, December something. My uncle finished up the dairy in Rineyville. They had about 40 acres of double crop beans. He finished them up just a while ago, I think. They were still working on it when we started bringing the cart out here. And there's the tractor and grain cart. Now we're back here at the dairy in Cecilia. They've got probably 200 acres of beans to do, and yeah. So we moved this out here. The truck driver was over there. We did fill the truck. So my other uncle, who's combining, was going to finish that up, and then they were going to move the combine out here, and I guess we'll start out here in the tomorrow. So, and I'm going to put it in 4-wheel drive. Alright, well, it's not a 35-foot grade table, but it's actually our neighbor's. He has a 9870 with a 30-foot platform, and he actually bought a S670 and another grain table, so he's not using this one, so he let us borrow it, so we could get done. And we're done with over here on the farm side of the dairy, and what's left is across the road. So, but both semi trucks are full. This cart will be, not quite full, but it'll, it's up over 25,000 pounds. So, it will, yeah, 25 to 40. But I think that's all we're going to be able to do tonight. Like I said, both trucks are full and the cart's full, and we can't really go anywhere else. So yeah, harvest continues. Oh. The clouds are moving in. I know you ain't going to be able to see this, but they are moving in. So I'm going to take my uncle's truck here back to the farm here and get my truck and call it a night. All they're gonna do is fill the grain cart. It's empty right now, so fill the cart and roll the tarp over it and go from there. So it's supposed to be right. All right, their beans are done, and we're finishing up the last of their corn. It ended up not raining today, which is good. So all that's left here is, I don't even know how many acres. There's not a whole heck of a lot of acres here. And this is it. All of our wagons are full of soybeans in their barn, and we're hoping what's left of corn will fit on the grain cart here. So we'll have to see what happens there, but this is the last of it, thank goodness. So I'm just gonna sit right here and see where I need to go to.